The Indian ringneck parakeets, or rose-ringed parakeets, are California's only Old World documented parrot flock species. Originally from India and the Middle East, they are well-known inhabitants of cities such as Bakersfield, California. Their long tails and streamlined bodies give these birds an elegance to their appearance. And although they are fairly common, I find these birds to be a bit more shy and wary of humans than other parrot species. However, they're equally a treat to find and a joy to film.